Wagyu burgers. They're fat, they're juicy, they're incredible. When you cook them, they render out so much fat that normally goes to waste. We're not gonna let that happen. Not today. We're gonna sear the burger and fry some noodles in beef fat. Let's do it. Now first, we season the beef. Be generous because you're using the residual fat to season the noodles as well. Pepper. And this thing goes straight in to a very hot pan. Now you season the other side. And you press. To maximize the surface area in contact with the very hot pan, this is what's going to give you the good browning, the Maillard reaction. Protein with high heat, that's what makes the meat taste meaty. While that's searing, noodle goes in. While that's all happening, we slice some chives or garnish. Because it's really fatty, you want either some chives or some scallion green to give it a bit of brightness. Keep an eye on your beef. Perfect. You move your noodles around a bit. Some even cooking. Now we can flip. That's beautiful browning. And you press again. We drain the noodles. An optional step, you want to rinse it under running cold water to give you that extra bounce. See, it's bouncing. Noodles ready. We lower the heat. Burger comes out now. To rest. Now, this, a lot of fat, it's a heart attack. Even if we like fat, we drain off some of this. And now this is just a stroke of genius. Noodle goes in. Mopped up all the Wagyu goodness. And at the very, very end, a small dash of soy sauce, not for seasoning, just for a bit of umami to bring out the best of the Wagyu. That's perfect. Stove off. Chives for brightness. And that's it. We can plate to make it look rustic. I was going to cook it here, but it was too small for the induction. A bit more chives. And we slice this beauty in half for presentation. A bit more chives, just for even more brightness. And there you have it, the solution to all the Wagyu fat problem, and perfect for a late night meal. This is Wagyu burger with beef fat noodles. I hope you enjoy.